Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
The second role of diffusion, that's number 2, is with respect to gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange in plants and animals. That's another process that applies diffusion. For example, if you talk of plants, we know that plants during the day, they take in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. But at night, they mainly take in oxygen for respiration. So in this case, we are saying that taking in of gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen, occurs by diffusion. So in this case, we can say that plants take in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis during the day. At night, they take in oxygen for respiration. They take in oxygen for respiration. So we can see that the two gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide, are being exchanged by plants by diffusion. Another point on gaseous exchange is to do with animals. Animals also need to carry out gaseous exchange across respiratory surfaces. For example, in humans, across the lungs, oxygen diffuses into the blood, but carbon dioxide diffuses out of the blood. So that exchange across the respiratory surface in animals occurs by diffusion. So animals take in and out respiratory gases. And when you talk of respiratory gases, that is, i.e., oxygen and carbon dioxide, across respiratory surfaces. So, e.g. across the lungs, it's by diffusion. So, the same way plants take in gases is the same way animals take in gases by diffusion. So, we have seen two major roles. One is of absorption of materials, whereby we have seen how plants absorb minerals from the soil by diffusion. We have seen how animals absorb digested food from the ileum into the blood. Then the second major function we've seen is the gaseous exchange, whereby plants take in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis during the day, but at night, when there is no photosynthesis that is occurring, they take in oxygen for respiration. Then animals take in and out respiratory gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide, across respiratory surfaces. So we are going to have an assignment on what we have already covered today and in the previous subtopics within the topic of cell physiology.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.